For all the updates, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for watching you and me. I'm Shradha. If you're watching my channel for the first time or you haven't subscribed to it yet, then make sure to subscribe it. In today's video, we'll be doing a quick and easy DIY facial at home that will require only 5 ingredients that are always present in a home. So let's check the ingredients first.
So first we need gram flour, that's besan, then rice flour. You can either purchase them or you can prepare them at home. Then honey, lemon juice and curd.
Before moving on to the facial, first let's prepare its scrub and face pack.
For preparing a scrub, first we need approx 2 teaspoons of gram flour, a teaspoon of rice flour, and then we'll add 4 to 5 teaspoons of curd in it. You can add as much curd you want until you get a nice consistency. And then we'll prepare a face pack. So for this we'll be taking 1 teaspoon of gram flour, half a teaspoon of rice flour and approx 2 to 3 teaspoons of curd, and we'll add half a teaspoon of honey in it. Then you just need to mix it well. For preparing our steam, I'm adding the lemon juice in water. You can either use this or you can use a utensil.
So our first step will be to clean our face. It's very important. Even if you are scrubbing your face, it should be clean. Otherwise, what will happen that all the things, the dirt or even the makeup can go inside the pores and it will create problems for future. So first step will be to clean the mess, pull our hairs back, and to wear something that even if gets dirty, we don't mind. So let me change.
Now after cleaning our face, we need to pat it dry and then we'll steam our face. Steaming will make it easier to remove all the blackheads and dirt. And if you have clogged pores or oily skin or acne prone skin, so for cleaning the face deeply, steaming will really gonna help. And as we have added lemon juice in our water, so this will help to get all the vitamins to our face. Then our next step will be doing the scrub. So I'm using the gram flour, rice and curd scrub. Gram flour helps to fight infections that causes acne. It removes all the tanning from your skin. Also, it is good for oily skin. Rice flour is a really good exfoliator and have oil absorbing properties in it. And curd, as we all know, that it is a really good moisturizer and it will also make our skin softer. So we need to gently scrub our face for 15 to 20 minutes and then we need to clean this. Then again we'll pat it dry and then we'll be applying our face mask. So along with gram flour, rice flour and curd, I have also added honey in it. This will hydrate your skin, and as honey has antioxidants in it, so also it's good for the moisturization as well as it's really beneficial if you have acne prone skin, and it will repair if you have any dead skin. So once it will get dry, you can wash your face and it's done. Now I can really feel the difference on my skin. It has become more smoother than before. So yes, if you like this video, then hit the like button below. You can check the coffee DIY scrub by clicking on the screen right now. So that's it for today. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more such videos.